Hey everybody, I'm Sean Hyson. I know what you're thinking. Body double for the Incredible Hulk in the Marvel comic movies, but in my day job, I'm the editor-in-chief of Onnit, and I'm here at the Onnit gym in Austin, Texas, and I'm going to be explaining the benefits of training your chest with dumbbells. When people think about chest training, they usually think they have to have a big barbell bench press. There are also plenty of chest machines that will build big pecs. But if you train at home or your shoulders are a little beat up from heavy benching or sports, dumbbells are a very smart choice for working your chest. Here are 6 reasons why. Number 1, greater range of motion. When you bench press with a barbell, the range of motion ends when the bar touches your chest. But when you use dumbbells, you can go a little bit lower, and that means you put more of a stretch in the pec muscles and recruit more of their muscle fibers. Research has shown that you get more muscle growth when you train the muscle through greater ranges of motion. Number 2, greater stability. Remember the first time you trained with dumbbells, your arms were probably shaking all over the place, and that's because your muscles were learning to stabilize your movement patterns as well as produce force. Dumbbells provide a greater challenge to stability than barbells or machines, which is awesome for building real-world strength. Number 3, easy on your joints. We are not built perfectly symmetrical. There are subtle imbalances between the left and right sides of our body, and if you only use barbells or machines that restrict your range of motion, you're going to end up placing more load on one side than the other. Over time, this can lead to injury. Dumbbells allow both sides of your body to find their optimal path when performing an exercise. Your wrists are free to rotate, and your elbows and shoulders can travel along the path that's most comfortable for them, essentially customizing the exercise for your body. That places the stress of the exercise right where it belongs, in your muscles and not in your joints. Number 4, build balanced strength. When you're pressing with a barbell or a chest machine, you may feel like your right and left arm push with equal force, but one side is always stronger than the other. Dumbbells help you identify strength imbalances between the limbs so you don't make the problem worse. You can always stop the set when you notice your left arm giving out before your right one, for instance. You can also train unilaterally, doing an extra few reps or an extra set for your weaker side to help it catch up. Hey guys, hate to interrupt. Quick word about Alpha Brain Black Label. Sometimes you don't feel focused and alert in the gym, and your workout can suffer as a result. Alpha Brain Black Label is the premium member of the Alpha Brain family and contains research-backed ingredients that support mental focus and can help you think more clearly under stress. It's the ultimate way to get in the zone before you hit the gym. Use the coupon code GETONIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain Black Label on Onnit.com. Now back to the video. Number 5, more pec activation. Look, the barbell bench press can be a great exercise for getting stronger, but it's really not the best choice for building muscle size in your chest. In addition to cutting short the range of motion at the bottom of the lift, the top of the barbell bench press puts little to no tension in your pecs. Think about it, your hands are fixed to the bar and your arms are locked out. When you use dumbbells and you stop a little bit short of lockout, your pecs are still working. They have to keep the dumbbells from drifting away from your midline. A 2017 study found that the dumbbell bench press activates the pectoralis major, the big chest muscle, more effectively than both the barbell bench press and the Smith machine bench press. Number 6, safety. We all know somebody who's blown out their shoulder doing a heavy barbell bench press, or even worse, gotten trapped underneath the bar and had to roll it off. That obviously won't happen with dumbbells, so if you train at home alone, dumbbells are the better option. If you get stuck and can't get the weight back up, you can just dump the dumbbells off to the side and live to lift another day. Remember, if you like this video, please give us a like below and subscribe to our channel. And for an article on dumbbell bench press training, along with a workout, click on the link in the description.